Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Groove. Go to Extensions, one click, and Setting. Then select Groove. First, to add a new type of groove, select Add New. And then custom the parameters. For example, name groove 6mm, cut depth 10 milli, extend length 2 millimeters. It means the tool is going to go further 2 millimeters at the last cut. Extend groove width, for example, 0.5. So 1 millimeter is going to be added to the two sides of the groove so that the back panel can go in more easily. Select the color. Select the tool number, cutting type, pocket, and passes 1. Next, to delete a type of groove, select it, and then hit delete. To duplicate a type of groove, select the groove, then hit duplicate, and then adjust it. So when we create groove in fitting, select a type of groove from the list. So this is the mark for the groove, and this is the 2 millimeters for extend length. So this is how we set up groove in setting. For more tool instructions, see you in the next videos.